Hello YouTube people, so I have this GF65 laptop thin. It has RTX 3060, 60 watts of VRAM and i5 10th generation CPU. So I've decided to find out is this laptop is good for mining. So what I've done, downloaded Excavator. It is a mining software. Also registered to Nicehash and cryptocurrency, and downloaded Afterburn to overclock my GPU. So with default settings, temperature was not so good, about 79 degrees. So what I've done to reduce the temperature, downgraded core clock. 900 to 1000 is good for this laptop to downgrade the temperature. Alright, memory clock I changed to 6699. It is the highest frequency that this laptop allows. If you want to get higher frequency, you have to flash BIOS, but I do not recommend to do that, because you will lose your warranty of laptop. But some people with scripts maybe can do like this. Alright, so temperature, this power panel is pretty hot. About keyboard, pretty normal temperature I can use for web browsing, to watch films and stuff like that. Noise of fans also pretty decent. Alright, talking about speed, right now speed is about 48 megahertz per second. So with the speed I can earn about 3 or 4 euros per day. Not so bad. Power 65 watts and efficiency rate about 590. So I think this laptop is pretty good for mining. I'm just use in my background when I not gaming or not doing some video editing stuff. So pretty good to earn some cryptocurrency. And also, if you have laptop like this with RTX 3060, you can share your hash rate, efficiency rate. Also, if you have another mining link, you can leave a comment and we can make a discussion below. So thank you for joining and for watching, and see you next time.